I don't know if you can see the disgust on my face. The tom was already on the ground. He was down in there. I guess you can figure out what happened next. Gone. Hey, stay tuned. It's late in the season. The weather's getting bad. It's actually raining right now. And I'm gonna do a few more hunts this year. I'm gonna close the season out. We're transitioning out of gun into bow season. So at the end of the year, the buck movement's starting to taper off. It's already peaked in mid-November. So I'm gonna get on some food sources. Maybe we'll get lucky and something to come in. Stay tuned. There are several things you can be assured of in late deer season. One of those is bad weather. From snow to rain to colder temperatures, fog. All of these combined make deer hunting that much more challenging. I'm going back in. I'm back on National Forest. Well, what you need to focus on in late season is the food source. That's where the does will be, and the bucks eventually going to be there also. But at the same time, when you're looking for food sources, take a look at the old scrape lines and see if the bucks aren't starting to reopen those scrapes up again. Sometimes they do that in the second rut. So we're going to head up here and give it a shot. Temperatures are cold. There's an Arctic blast coming in this weekend for Christmas. Supposed to be really severe temperatures. Rain's coming in tonight. We got heavy wind Friday. So I'm hoping this afternoon the bucks will be out feeding. Overhanging branch. Those scrapes have been opened up again since the last time I was in here, which was late rifle season. So it's like I said, the strategies, and here's an older scrape right here. See the overhanging branch? This trail. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go up through there, do a ground setup, see what happens. So late in the year, focus on the food, but also go back and check those scrape lines just in case in that second rut you got a few more does coming in that didn't get bred, or maybe some yearling fawns. All right, this is late season. And this is pretty much hilarious. I came in here this afternoon just to set up a stand that I can hunt tomorrow. Didn't have enough time this afternoon to hunt it. So I came in, I basically got the stand set up. So hopefully, you know, Lord willing, we'll be able to get in there in the morning or tomorrow afternoon, and maybe we'll see a mature buck come through. This is late December. What is this? Today's the 20, I think today's the 28th. So it's late in the year. I'm basically getting set up on a food source. I went up to a ridge that's got a tremendous amount of red oaks, and the deer sign's plentiful. You can tell where they've been digging in the leaves trying to find the acorns, and I dug around. There's still acorns in there, so I know the mass crop hasn't run out yet, so there's still food there. Good food source for the deer, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set up on the food and see what happens. You know, end of the year strategies, and I've said it before and you guys probably get tired of hearing me saying it, get on the food. You know, a lot of people talk about what type of food source, but whatever the food source is in your area where you're finding deer tracks and droppings, maybe you got some visuals on the deer, but if there's activity in that area and the food hasn't played out yet, there's a good opportunity for you to get in there and get a buck. Or if you're trying to get a doe and there's still a doe season in your state or the area that you hunt, you can do that too. Okay, that puts a wrap on deer season for my home state, North Carolina. I had a really good season this year. We took a doe during muzzleloading season, got all that on video, then took a nice buck during, I think it was the second week of rifle season. And all that transitioned into bow season. We hunted really hard at the end of the year, just didn't get anything else. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.